Hi everyone. Today I have brought one topic, that is employee mindset versus entrepreneur mindset. I want to tell you the difference between both. Employee mindset, there is a certainty. Employee mindset sorts of people do not want to think out of the box. They want to complete the task only. Entrepreneur mindset, they believe in certainty versus uncertainties as well. Whenever any uncertainty approaches, they know how to deal with uncertainties and they take the quick decision. Okay, so this is the difference between the entrepreneur mindset versus employee mindset. Employee mindset people, they have been given the task by their boss. uh, they do not think out of that, they only complete the task, this is their task. But entrepreneur mindset, they try to find the tasks and they just make it better. Employee mindset people, they try to being busy, they are being busy mostly. But entrepreneur mindset, they are being productive most of the times. And they just if any problem occurs, so employee mindset people always wait for solution. They do not think of it, they only wait for solution, they do not find the solution. But entrepreneur mindset people always find the solution and they just give the they just ask them to solve this solution and they know how to solve it out. So uh, employee mindset people, they always are head driven, their intellect and their expertise are used by their boss. But entrepreneur sort of people always are heart driven, they know how to add the values and they make it and they make everything better, they make the world better at one place. And employee mindset, where are they know only. Where they want to go, they don't want to know. Where they want to be, they don't want to see and they don't want to know. But entrepreneur mindset people, where they will be, where they want to be, they know very well. So this is the side which they have, but the side which they are losing, they are the employee mindset people. So thank you guys. This is the difference between employee mindset versus entrepreneur mindset. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been training the people in Jeet Pinnacle Institute for 18 years without fail. I have been training the people to crack the interview with the confidence, and I know how to develop their healthy habits, which I have been working upon. So if you are one of those who have been facing these problems, please do join my institute, do join my lab session, where I have been training lots of members every day. So my lab sessions also are going on. If you feel like joining, do join. My number is 9373537363. My another helpline number is 865704196. If you think you are one of those who wanna join, who have these sorts of problems, and you wanna get your problems solved by me, by just by my team, so of course do join us. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. It was really nice catching up with you.